Okay, it's Thursday, September 15th, 10:43 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let me just get the disclaimer out of the way. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and to please do your own research. Big news last night was a few hours ago, the Ethereum merge was successful, and it's posted here on Ethereum blockchain. And it's just business as usual. Nothing's major happened. As far as I know, it went through smoothly. NFTs are being bought and sold on OpenSea on the new proof of stake. Not the chain, but it's just on proof of stake now. The new blockchain, the ETHW, I think it's still in testnet phase. I think it goes live in a few hours. So come tomorrow morning, if you're looking for any ETHW cloned ETH tokens or cloned or forked ERC20 tokens like Million Token and all the others, or even some cloned NFTs that are on the new blockchain, I would check for them tomorrow morning. And if they're there, great. If they're not, oh well. But they should be there as far as I'm from I'm reading on their Telegram page. You could look on their Twitter page, and they have links there to their Telegram and Discord. But I would just wait for another day, and we'll see what happens with that. So that's the major news there. Big news with Ethereum, and congratulations for them having a smooth transition. The Gate.io balance is now below 8,000. So, to get to 3,000 tokens, that's, just about 5,000 left to go here. The past 29 days, you had about 8,000 sold. So in about 18 days left, I think the balance will be back down to 3,000. Which would be somewhere around October 3rd. So it seems like the date keeps moving up. As the price comes down, people are scooping them up real fast. And the million pool is at like 20% or 22% almost there. There's a new proposal that I think is going to be ending soon, right? What's going to be ending September 17th. So in 2 days. So Saturday ends. And I would try to get your vote in if you want to vote by Friday just to get it in. So this is a proposal to remove the admin role for DJ, aka God's Million. And just a little history on this. So he was the latest admin to become admin, and I helped support him for that. And I guess, some admins are just not getting along together. So he proposed to permanently remove that truth, which overwhelmingly 86% said no. We want him as an admin, and now the reverse has happened, and admins are now turning against DJ, aka God's Millions. So it's unfortunate that the admins can't work these out themselves. I mean, if you got beef with each other, just DM each other. You don't have to put it on the public to have the whole public read or whatever. So, but I got mixed feelings about the latest proposal because I was reading a couple of days ago that the people on Telegram were saying how Discord was all cleaned up and everything. So you have that, and we'll just wait and see. I think he needs like another 20,000 votes just to break even. So, 23K versus 2.8K. So we don't have a lot of votes here, just 17. It could still swing the other way, perhaps. So, I'm kind of indifferent about this whole thing. I think it was a mistake to attack, the OG admins when, cleaning house first. So you're not going to make friends that way. So we'll just see how this plays out. But you want to get your vote in by Friday, if not by Saturday morning at the very latest. So what else is there? Yeah, here's the million pool at 21.66%. Million tokens back in the sideways channel here at the top end. We had that big pump. Somebody was buying like a lot of tokens on Binance Smart Chain, and people were moving, the million tokens from one chain over on the Binance Smart Chain and selling there because the price was so high. So I discovered that in my last video, and the price is still above $3. That's a good positive sign. Again, here we are in the range here. I think probably, if the market continues to go down a little bit, we're going to hit like $2 and 85 cents, somewhere around there, give or take a few cents. A good time to probably dollar cost average when it comes to this moving average. And maybe we might bounce off of it or come down and retest these $2.57 range. Only time will tell. And here we are on the Binance Smart Chain, and you can see how at one time the price was up at like almost $8 here, and then before coming back down, taking a nosedive back to, I would think it'd come back down to like 289 before the big pump happened. We'll just wait and see how what happens. And on Gate.io, the price is $3.24 right now as I'm making the video. And I think that's basically it. The dollar's still going strong, almost 110. The S&P 500. It still looks like we're in a bear trend. We got these, looks like possibly a death cross here. We already have one here with the yellow crossing the blue. Maybe the green crossing the blue. That would not be good. Because when that happened previously in the past bear markets, we went down significantly more. Speaking about the markets in general, the Clear Value Tax came out with a pretty good video yesterday talking about the Fed pivot, and I've been saying this also where I really don't see the markets turning around until the Fed pivots. If they want to keep raising rates and tightening, not buying equities or anymore, then the market's going to continue to go down to curb inflation. So just wait for those signs for the Fed to pivot. And they say they may say one thing and do something else. So you have to watch what they do. You have to watch their balance sheet, and that is about it. So that's the updates on the Gate.io wallet. Possibly October 3rd we'll be back to normal with the balance of 3,000, unless some other whales sell. And the billion governance proposal. That's going to be ending in, I would get your vote in by tomorrow if you can, if you want to vote. And the ETH W news. So you just have to wait. Tomorrow you'll probably get, log into your MetaMask, put in the new values for the RPC so you can have access to your ETH W. I heard that I think Bybit was already buying and selling ETH W, which, I don't understand if the main net hasn't gone live yet. So we'll just wait and see. And if you like this content, give me a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks.